How to find and remove check-ins on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Bipian Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can find and remove your check-ins on Facebook. Well, if you just want to view or if you just want to see your check-ins on Facebook, you can simply open up your Facebook app, tap on the profile icon on that you'll find at the home page. Then what you can do is simply tap on edit profile that you can see along there, and if you scroll down here below, you'll find the option edit your about info. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, if you scroll down below here, you should be able to see the check-ins option here, and if you tap on see all, you'll be able to see all your check-ins. In my case, I only have a single check-in. Now it's taking some time to load up, but you can see it's loaded up, and I only have a single check-in visited on 3rd October 2023. Now you don't get an option to remove it, the check-ins. You can't remove it from here. However, only you'll be able to view it. If you want to remove it, you want to simply tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner and then head into settings. Once on settings here, you want to scroll down until you find the option activity log that will be under your information. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you want to tap on your activity across Facebook and then tap on manage post. Now, as you know, you normally check in during your Facebook post, right? So if there is a post that you have checked in on and you want to remove the check-in, so you basically want to remove the post as well, you want to simply tap on filters and you can sort by categories, and from categories you can choose your post, check-ins, photos and videos, and from here you'll be able to find out your check-in. And once you find out your check-in, you can tap on it, select it, and then tap on the recycle bin option at the bottom of your screen that you can see and move it to trash. So this way you can find and remove check-ins on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.